be checking out one of the most amazing game, and stay in touch, and I will tell you how you can play that, and how you can open the castle, and how you will join this game, and how you can challenge the difficulties, and lots of manage console here, and plenty of options and knowledge and character ability and weapons, and each and everything is available in this game. So there are plenty of characters available, and you can select the characters and each and everything is available. And it's up to you what kind of character you want to choose. So your girls right here and boys right here, you can easily select your characters. Even you can select your weapons also, because plenty of weapons are available, and you can easily check the weapons. Some of them are unlocked, and when you complete the process, when you complete the target, the locks will open, and you can get more weapons. So a couple of weapons are open here. Looks like Christmas tree. So it's a perfect opportunity in 2024 to play with. So you can select weapons, and you can start playing. It look like thunders, and look like Christmas trees. So every weapons is available. So here you can see, guys, it's optimized, so it's a gamepad you can control here, and it looks to me the map, how you can play it, and you can choose a couple of different places are available. So I didn't know anything about that, and supposed to me, I will find out few places to couple of directions are available, and it looks like loots here, and plenty of things are available. I think you have to cross these limits, and you have to fight, and after fighting you can win and get more reward, and you can claim the reward from here. So maybe I should go with the here, guys. Let's see. Here's the instructions and keyboard you have to follow while playing the game. So plenty of options are here, and you can move, how you can rotation, mouse position, dash, and here you can see the special skills right now. So plenty of options are available, and you have to keep in mind these keys, because when you fight with the enemy you have to follow these keys by playing, and even you can customize the things also. You can change the colors and the enemy's color, your weapons, so each and everything. You can change your mask and dresses, so all options are available in a single platform. So plenty of options. So it's really interesting, guys, and please don't miss any part of this gaming project. And in few minutes I will guide you. Here we go. So it's start, and my start is excellent fighting here. So here you can see different type of loot. So you can select and select your upgrade bonus, how you can upgrade your bonus, and it's up to you. And I didn't play this game before, but it's my first experience, and I think all will enjoy, and the community will enjoy, and it's up to you and what kind of place you want to select to get more reward and more bonus from here. So here's lightning, and you can see, I think we should select the lightning. It's the best. Okay, we'll select the lightning, and let's see how it works. It sounds perfectly, and it's killing the enemy perfectly, so it's the best and very easy process to play that, and I'm sure you will enjoy that. Sorry. Okay, so this is how long I actually go from here, and there are plenty of levels available and skills are available, and you can easily join the skills and each and everything. ओके नेक्स्ट आपको मैं दिखाता चलूँ कि इसमें आप मज़ीद भी फाइट कर सकते हैं. सो हर्स गॉन्स, तो यहाँ पे आपको इनफैक्ट आप यहाँ से फाइट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. तो जिसमें हमें पिक लाइनिंग, नॉर्मल स्किल्स अवेलेबल, नॉर्मल स्किल्स एंड नेक्स्ट सुपर. तो यहाँ पे instruction books are available, and if you remove the page, and I will get more instruction, more information, more detail, last page, next page. So all the details you can return, you can visit the details of how you will get bonuses from here. So you will unlock the barrier of this game, and you can select your bonuses. So all the details here are available in all the details are given beside you. And you have any question or query, if you want to need more instructions, so you can open the book and you get more information related to this project. So this is a perfect way, and you can see the Sonic way, spinning fireballs and the lightning. आप यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं. Let's see, lightning serpent. So इसमें देखते हैं कि इसमें सिर्फ fireballs जो हैं जो कि आप यहाँ से fight कर सकते हैं और काफ़ी कुछ कर सकते हैं. It's perfect guys. So next हम चलते हैं इसके level मज़ीद. Okay, very nice. So we can get more reward from here. Arrival level 5. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं kill कितने 51, highest combo 51. It's beautiful guys. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं skill damage आपने कितना किया. So continue, we'll keep continue. Leather boots आप देख सकते हैं. Bison horns आपकी detail है. उसके बाद Busty cross और Asian masks यहाँ पे available हैं. Okay. So we have 2250 gold. So we'll get in this fight, and this currency you can change whatsoever. So okay. Next guys चलते हैं कि इसकी मज़ीद information जो है वो भी मैं आपको देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे strategies, unlock and refresh आप कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे so I don't think I need for that. So रिफ़्रेश करने से यह है कि आपको गेम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है आपको बोनसेस ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ गेमिंग प्रोसेस तो जिसमें आप इसको नेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, here is the place that I was discussing before. So now we have to go to fight, and यहाँ से हम इसको fight कर सकेंगे. तो यहाँ पे सारी information. As you strolled through Quant village, your attention was caught by a sight and the wandering orphan, the young boy with them, and indicated a farm. यहाँ पे इसकी details जो है वो सारी given है. Next you have to continue orphan and broken sword. तो ये इसकी detail भी आप यहाँ से easily ले सकते हैं. So all the information is available. They provide all the detail about this game. You have to follow this instruction and details. It will be perfect for you to guide you how you can join, how you will play, how you will fight. So all decisions will in your hands. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं broken sword even with the 100 gold and only a full would be buy it. तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. This should be the fine reward. तो आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं something into your wallet and you realize with the miracle that तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से भी ले सकते हैं broken sword, key details and each and everything. Okay. Next, continue your journey, and how you continue your journey. Turn around and left the village, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं we have got the sword. आप इसी तरीके से sword भी ले सकते हैं and you will be rewarded. तो आप इसी तरीके से reward भी ले सकते हैं और यहाँ से आप काफ़ी सारे bonuses भी ले सकते हैं जिसमें levels भी होंगे और आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से fight कर सकते हैं और win कर सकते हैं. Couple of places will be available for you and you can get more information and you can get more details from here. So here we go guys, let's click on that and we will see the skill here and how we will fight to get reward. So you can see here the double click and next you can see sell 11,400 and we can take. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जिसमें लाइटनिंग भी हैं और काफ़ी कुछ जो है आप यहाँ से आप इसकी स्पीड को चेंज कर सकते हैं. आप अपनी इसकी स्पीड को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं. It's up to you. So it's a very nice and very fantastic way to play the game in 2024 because this is a demo I already told you. And we'll get more and we can get more details from here. Okay, so let's see कि यहाँ से आप काफ़ी information जो है ले सकते हैं. So it's still a perfect way to play and unlock the territory. तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से आप play कर सकते हैं और इस game को play सकते हैं. So it's and here also you have to be careful about that. Okay, we'll open the next one. it's very easy now for us to play the game. So we'll play that and we'll check the details from here. Okay, here you can see VIP scroll and ring of infinity, and next you can see the dashboard of God and necklace of fangs. So यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी हैं, and I would love to play these kind of games because there are plenty of the options are available, and we have already have 12,540. एंड यहाँ से हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आप यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं कि स्किल डैमेज चेक कर सकते हैं. सो एंड रिवॉर्ड के बारे में भी डिटेल आप देख सकते हैं, और नेक्स्ट आप इसकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन भी ले सकते हैं. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, still we have to wait and check each and everything. So after that you will play that. Okay, let's try the next one guys. तो यहाँ पे आप किसी को भी यहाँ से we have lightning change, lightning waves. Let's see. So here is the detail about let's see the lightning waves, and another is normal scale. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आप यहाँ से आप कैसे करेंगे. So different build हैं यहाँ पे, और काफ़ी किस्म की आपको games मिलेंगी. Okay, here we go guys, and finally we will start and we will fight. And I haven't tried my ultimate yet, but let's see. So approaching, it's perfect fight, and we are fighting, killing, and it's a perfect way. I'm getting energy. Wow, so zabardast guys. आप यहाँ से काफ़ी, it's a perfect way to fight, and speed and each and everything has been changed automatically. And we have to fight, and we have to win this war guys. Keep it up. Take this big monster, hit him, and we got it. Actually we got it. So it's perfect guys. After defeating this, and we have got lots of strength, and here we go. तो गाइस यहाँ से हमने काफ़ी कुछ ले लिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट फाइट स्टार्ट. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं लाइटनिंग वेव्स. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि इसकी काफ़ी सारी फाइटिंग जो है वो भी आपके पास आप देख सकते हैं के गो. तो गाइस हम काफ़ी इससे फाइट कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ से हमें काफ़ी रिवॉर्ड भी मिल सकता है. We're getting reward from here by fighting and killing our enemy. Here we go. And we can find plenty of options and plenty of bonuses. Okay, and we have achieved an unlock. So we have got anyway. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने यहाँ से क्या. So lightning change. Let's see the next one. So we will check the lightning change. So हम यहाँ से इसको select करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे आपको जो है काफ़ी कुछ जो है speed भी मिलेगी. Okay, we can get the bonuses from here. So you can see here the traverse and compass. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. It's apparently it's very unique one, and chain with symbol, and here you can see the next one. And we will see the next process also. So magic damage, and we will see. And let's see the next one. Let's check it out. The lightning chain, and next here we can see the lightning attack power. We can so it's whether it's magic or what. Let's see. Okay. तो यहाँ से हम we have to select. And we have to check the details from here. Okay, intelligence key details available. So suppose to me we have to take this one. Okay, so we will take this, and here you can see skill damage, and you see the levels, and here it is. So here is some sharpness available, and you can get catnip. So यहाँ पे आप इसकी details आपको buy 5,200, and you can easily buy from here. And next you can see the price 3%, and next आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं emerald pricing plus 8 जो भी details है. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट आपको जो डिटेल है वो भी मैं आगे जाके देता हूँ कि यहाँ पे रिटर्न. सो गो बैक टू आवर टेरिटरी. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. So we'll select the next option and we'll play that. So it was a demo for you and I already told you details. आप यहाँ से किस तरह ले सकते हैं. Next all the information is available and different characters are available. So I already told you you have to complete the task and you can see how we came across this level. So here as you can see, once again we'll start again the process and we complete the task, we will fight your enemy and after that you will be rewarded and you can get more reward. So it's optional because you can choose your weapons also and you select your colors and you can also customize from there. There's plenty of options are available. So we can easily fight and kill our enemies with the different types of weapons. So you can use weapons and also kill your enemy. And more difficult places and more difficult challenges will be there. And you have to complete all these and you have to face these challenges and will be unlocked. And as we unlock, they will enter in the new arena and get more difficulties and you have to face and fight. And I hope so you briefly understand about this and it's a perfect way to join now and you can open the castle, you can open the levels and you will be rewarded with plenty of bonuses also. So it's a massive opportunity for us to join in, to jump in and play different types of levels and we'll complete some of them of unlock. We have to complete the damage and you can see survivals, economy and others. So plenty of options are available and the level that is available and you will fight and as you will win and you will complete the tasks and after that the level will be open and unlock and you can easily grab that and you will enter the next lock and next level and you can get more reward also. Okay guys, this was the detail about this game and I'm sure I visited this in a few hours ago and decided to introduce this in front of my community. So I'm sure you will be satisfied that and if you have any question you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the details related to this project and wish you all the best and hope so you can study the books also and get more information from there and each and everything will be there and please don't miss to join the links because it's very important to be the part of their community and you can see once again their weapons and each and everything and you will be surprised to see the details and plenty of options, plenty of levels, plenty of territories and a huge amount of weapons are there. You can easily select the weapons for you and you can fight with the enemy and even you can select your team member like female or male. It's up to you. You can complete up to levels and get more reward from here. Okay, so it's all the very best guys. I will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.